If you understand English on the one hand and can't speak it on the other, then definitely you are missing something. In my opinion, you are doing nothing for your output. Your output is not good. That's why you are facing this issue. You are struggling with this kind of issue. Friends, in my initial stage, I was also struggling with this kind of issue. Like, on the one hand, I understood each and everything in English. I read English book and easily understand it. I listened an audio story and easily I could understand it. But when I wanted to speak, I was not able to speak. I think you might be struggling with this kind of issue. You understand each and everything in English. But when you want to speak, you are not able to speak. You cannot speak it. Friends, I'm telling you, if you improve your output, definitely within couple of months, you will start speaking this language. You need to improve your output because your input is good. I just want to clear you here, like, what is input and output. In brief, input means the information, the data, the message which you are collecting in your mind through reading, listening and watching. You are putting in your mind, that is called input. Okay? And that makes sense, like you are very good in understanding because you have collected a lot of data, a lot of information in your mind, a lot of like sentence formation, ideas and thoughts. That's why you are very good at understanding. But when you want to speak it, you cannot speak because your output is not good. If you are doing consistent practice, definitely you will improve your output and one day you will start speaking in this language very fluently and confidently. So let's understand how we can improve our output. Friends, to improve your output, I want you to pen down your daily routine on the daily basis, like from morning to evening. Okay, what things you did, what you are doing and what's your planning, just in present, past and future. Just try to pen down, and after writing, just read it loudly 7 to 8 times, and after that just fold that page and try to speak before mirror. And you can do one more thing, like you can record your speech and analyze like how is your pitch, tone, rhythm of speaking, because you are learning English language and you want to speak English, so you need to speak English just like English. Actually, I'm also working upon my pronunciation. I know that my pronunciation is not that much good, so I'm working. That's why, friends, I'm telling you, if you want to speak English language, then you need to speak just like English. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, like, just pen down your daily routine in present, past and future, like about your planning, about your like incident, past incident, and your habit. What's your habit? If you inculcate this kind of habit, friends, you know what, by writing you will improve your writing skill, and when you read loudly, you will feel like you are doing your speaking practice. Second thing, when you are reading book, just read loudly. Okay, you might be thinking like reading is an input activity. No, it is input as well as output. You are receiving knowledge, that is input, and you are delivering. Okay, you are just reading loudly, so that is output. So you are doing simultaneously two kind of activity. So whenever you are reading book, just read loudly. Okay, don't think about others, like what they are thinking about you, like why you are shouting, why you are reading so loudly. Don't think like that, because your main aim, your main goal is to speak in this language. So it is you have to work hard. Okay, you have to make your conscious effort to learn this language and speak it confidently. And friends, apart from it, there are many apps available. Okay, you can install an app and you can practice of your English speaking, because there are multiple English learners, they are doing their English speaking practice. So you can join and do your regular practice, because you will enhance your communication skill there. You will get a chance to improve. Okay, and one thing I would like to tell you here, that don't get afraid of making mistakes. Don't let your fear hold you back. Always let your passion drive you forward. Okay, so just trust yourself, think positively. I can, I will. Just the person who speaks English very confidently, they have made multiple mistakes. Okay, and by improving their mistakes, they have learned English language, and today they speak English very fluently. So in your case too, just don't get afraid of mistakes. Instead, make them, learn from them, and improve them, and keep moving forward. So friends, that's what I wanted to share with you. I want you to do your regular practice and apply the method which I have shared with you, and you will see improvement in your speaking skill. So let's meet in the next video. If you really liked my speech, please give me a like, because your like really motivates me a lot. Keep listening, keep reading, and keep doing your English speaking practice. Bye bye.